So I'm about to unbox my mystery box from Boho Fabrics. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Kim from Dorothy's Daughter. Welcome to my channel. If you want to take your sewing to the next level, you are in the right place. Today it's kind of fun. I have just received a mystery box of fabric, although it's not a box, but that's how it was put forth on the website. Anyway, there's a mystery of fabrics in here, and I can't wait to show them to you, see what's in here. And what I did was I purchased these from Boho Fabrics. They have mystery bundles, and this bundle in particular was one, they have some that have different color schemes. And so I chose one that was all knits, and it is supposed to have teals and corals in it. So let's see what I have. I'm just going to unbox it right now in front of you. I hate this kind of wrapping. If any of the fabric stores are listening, it's very hard not to cut your fabric. So you have to be super careful when you open these kind of packages. But it doesn't stop me from ordering. I have never ordered from Boho before, and this is not a promotional thing. This is just something I did on my own. But I thought I'd share and see what this mystery box is like. I'm anxious to see because I've heard real good things about Boho Fabrics. I'm so afraid I'm going to cut through the fabric. These are my paper scissors, not my fabric. Ooh, I can tell I like this already. I know I did put a message in there saying that I loved florals and I liked only tiny stripes. So we'll see what I ended up getting here. This is supposed to be 12 yards of fabric. Sorry for the noise. All right, let's see what we've got here. Teal and Coral Blooms is the name of this collection. Ooh, I believe this is navy with floral. Isn't that pretty? You guys, I'm a sucker for navy floral, so they got me here. I wonder if the names of the fabrics are in here at all. Oh, looks like I have a little bit of ribbon as a bonus there. Let's see. Oh, I thought maybe it would have the fabric content, but it doesn't. This is double brush poly, though, I can just tell you for sure. Probably, I think they're supposed to be 2 yards each. I'm guessing that's about what this is. I like this. Isn't that beautiful? All right, let's see the next one. I know I just said I wasn't real crazy about stripes, but I might like this one. That is pretty. I like the colors. It's got navy and coral and like a little brown. This is also double brush poly, so I like that. Ooh, this is a heathered, like a, ooh, this feels like a heathered jersey of some kind. Maybe it could be bamboo. I'm not sure. Really pretty. Very silky. I think this would make a wonderful, very comfy jammies. Sorry if I'm looking at the fabric more than the camera. I think you understand. Ooh, here's some pink jersey. Ooh, check this out. So there must be a lot of this because this is more than 2 yards, I'm pretty sure. That is gorgeous. And it's thick too. It's not really thin. It's a heathered, ribbed, probably like a cotton spandex jersey. Love this. Love, love, love. This right here is worth the whole thing. I had a $5 coupon. These mystery bundles are, you know, they're kind of pricey. I guess it ends up being about 6 something a yard. So I guess it's not too bad, but it's so fun to not know what you're getting. All right, so this is whatever this blue was. This is the same thing in like coral. This is rather thin, so I'm not sure what I'll do with it. Can't be anything too fitted, but I like it. I like it a lot. So this is my mystery bundle. I got this sort of really bright coral solid. Yeah, like that. This is, oh, love. This is like a t-shirt jersey. And it's, oh, wait a minute. This is a French terry, y'all. That's French terry. I love it. It's like a real lightweight though. And this beautiful teal. I wish I knew what this was. I've never had any of this before. It's really high quality, I can tell. Shiny. I don't know. It's really pretty though. Maybe some kind of top. It just feels so soft, like I would love to crawl into this at night. Just be in really comfy jammies. We'll see. This one, I don't know. I might be able to put these together. That'd be cool. Like a Ellie Mac going home sweater, maybe. Just thought. All right, so this is my bundle. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm sure you're going to see. So anyway, it's a quick video today, but I just wanted to, I thought it'd be fun to unbox this on the camera. So fun. I'm sure you'll see what I do with this. This is the one I'm intrigued, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I am very intrigued by it. More solids than I thought I would get, but that's okay. I like solids. Have a fantastic evening. I'll see you soon. Sorry for being a little dressed down and very little makeup. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Happy sewing.
Please subscribe.